Samsung Washing Machine 6F Error Code Troubleshooting Guide Solution. Water temperature error possible solutions. Turn the washing machine off for 30 seconds to a minute, then turn it back on. Repeat the process a few times if the error code persists. Samsung Washing Machine 6F error code generally points to issues related to water temperature. Here's a breakdown. Possible causes: malfunctioning water temperature sensor. This sensor monitors and regulates the water temperature. If it fails, it can trigger the 6F error. Faulty heating element. The heating element is responsible for heating the water. Problems with this element can also cause the error. Check heating element resistance. If resistance not okay, replace the element. Wiring issues. The wiring connected to the sensor may be loose, disconnected, or damaged. Check wiring and connector. If the wiring not okay, replace the wiring. Communication problems. The control board may have issues preventing the sensor from transmitting accurate data, or electronic interference may be disrupting communication. If the PCB not okay, replace the PCB.